We finally decided to get rid of the bed in our basement, and we knew we had to go with a Han-based sofa. The modular design allows you to transform your sofa into various shapes, including a perfectly sized bed. It was delivered right to our front steps, and the assembly was effortless. I was able to assemble the entire sofa all on my own in under an hour, and that includes being interrupted by the babies, the dogs, and everything else. All of their sofas come with a lifetime guarantee on the frame and a 1-year upholstery guarantee. The frame is made of solid wood and the upholstery is 100% corduroy. Look at just how comfortable everyone looks. We only used to use our playroom about once a week, and now we are down there every single day. This specific sofa comes with 2 ottomans with built-in storage. As you can see here, we were able to move one of the pieces over so that Cameron could be safe in her own little area while she takes her nap. Not only is the sofa durable, but it's really, really comfy.